Hi, welcome to memleaks. In our last video, we used the GNU toolset, namely the G++ compiler, to compile and test a very simple Hello World C++ application. In this video, we are going to replace GNU's toolset with LLVMs, namely the clang compiler. To do so, let's start by installing the required packages. That will be clang. We'll be using version 15 for this video. Feel free to replace that with a different version if you'd like. Additionally, we will need the linker. LLD is LLVM's linker. Also specify the version for the subsequent packages. And we need the debugger, which is LLDB for LLVM's toolset. Go ahead and install that. I already have them. You may be prompted, just type Y to continue. Now let's make sure that that installed properly. Let's execute clang version, and we get version 15.07 in my case. You might have something slightly different, but that is okay. All right, now let's use the same hello.cpp file that we created in our last GNU tutorial. For those of you that did not follow along, here is the contents, or here are the contents. We are just including the IOStream header. We have our main function entry point. We are writing hello world and an endline to our output stream and returning a return value of 0. And that's all there is to it. Very basic hello world. Okay, so now let's call clang. Let's call clang++. We just like with GNU, when we use G++ for C++ applications, we will be using clang++ for C++ applications for LLVM. Next, let's pass in our file, and we will name our output hello world. Okay, and that outputs this binary, which we will execute now, and hello world. Now, when using GNU, we did try using GCC to compile, and we got an error because GCC could not find the standard C++ library. We want to try the same with clang. We will most likely get the same result, but let's try it just for the sake of completeness. And undefined reference to standard cout. So yeah, same problem, and it actually has the same solution. All you have to do is add the same L standard C++ parameter, and then execute, and success. And let's run it to make sure it works. Hello world. Okay, so in this video, we successfully installed LLVM's toolsets required for basic C++ development. We tested compiling a hello world C++ file, and we made sure that the output worked as expected. Thank you all for listening. I hope you learned something, and have a great day.